Assalamualaikum. Okay students, today we will discuss the hybridization type, that is sp3 hybridization, and the second example, that is ammonia. So first of all, I again tell you about the hybridization definition, that what is hybridization, और उसके बाद हम जाएंगे अपने टॉपिक पे अमोनिया पे, ठीक है. सो असल में hybridization क्या है? Hybridization is the phenomena in which orbitals of different shape and energy intermix to form molecular orbitals of same shape and energy. So this is actually the basic definition of the hybridization, in which orbitals of different shape and energy overlap, and we will get the molecular orbital of the same energy and the same shape. So this will be the shape of the orbitals which is formed and which is known as hybrid orbitals. Okay, so today we will discuss the sp3 hybridization in ammonia. Okay, so what is ammonia? In ammonia, nitrogen is the central atom. Electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1. Okay, so the nitrogen electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So here we have 3 unpaired electron and 1 pair electron, that is lone pair of electron. So all these 4 atomic orbital will overlap and we will get 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. So after hybridization, we will get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, right? So these three which have 1 electron in each p orbital, these 3 will form bond with the 3 hydrogen atomic orbital. Okay, and that one will act as a lone pair, will present as a lone pair. Okay, so now the structure of nitrogen, if we draw, this will be the lone pair orbital and this will be the sp3 orbital of the 3p, and these sp3 orbital, 1 each hydrogen atom, as each hydrogen has atomic configuration 1s1. So shape is spherical, so these 3 s orbital will form bond with the p sp3 orbital. So here we have sp3 overlapping and which give 3 sigma bond in ammonia. And the one will act as a lone pair. Now geometry. What is geometry of ammonia? Geometry of ammonia is trigonal pyramidal. Special type of naming is given to it. Trigonal pyramidal is the geometry of ammonia, and the bond angle is, due to 1 lone pair, the bond angle will be less than that of the methane, that is, it will be 107.5 degrees centigrade. So this lone pair will push all these hydrogen hydrogen bonds towards each other, and the bond angle will be decreased from 109 to 107 degree angle. Okay, so all it is about the nomenclature and about the geometry of the ammonia. the sp3 hybridization take place. And here, okay, one another thing that you should mention in the sp3 hybridization, 25% S character is involved and 75% P character are involved. Case of sp3 hybridization. Okay friends, today topic is completed.